Hi everyone, my name is Janice, and I made this as though I were going to do it for my students. So it says, "Hi, Miss O'Keefe's team." And as you can see, also, it was supposed to be a Powtoon, but that didn't really work out. So I screenshotted all my Powtoon stuff and I put it on Google Slides. Oh, here we are. My Kagan strategy that I am going to sample today is find someone who, or it could be called a people hunt. So what happens here is everyone will get a sheet like this, and it has find someone who has the same favorite color as you. So let's say Johnny. Everyone has their paper, and they all walk around the classroom with their paper and pencil asking each other questions. So Johnny would ask someone, hey, is your favorite color blue? Because my favorite color is blue. And if he finds that Jill has this favorite color blue, then he'll write Jill's name on the paper. You can also do it by Jill writing her own name on the paper, so either one is fine. Either the person asking or the person answering to write it in. So the students continue to circulate, around the room to find people who have the same answer as them to fill up their paper. So this is just a sample of the questions that I would play so that if students had trouble reading it or seeing it, it could be displayed on the board. Find someone who, and has the same favorite color as you, so they can see that the colors are there. And this next one has the same favorite food as you. I thought pizza is probably pretty good. Most people like that. Uh-oh, my name went off. It says find someone who has the same pet as you. Then next question I would show is find someone who had the same first grade teacher as you. Find someone who has the same first day feeling as you. We talked about that yesterday. And find someone who had a great first day. Again, sorry that all that's covered up with Powtoon stuff, but it just would not work for me tonight. So, once again, here on the paper that everyone has, once they completed filling out someone who has something in common with them, we'll go back to our seats and then we'll discuss. I'll be like, hey, Jim, who has the same favorite food as you? And like, oh, that's Robert. It was so cool. We both like tacos. And so it's just a nice icebreaker activity in this form, but you can also match it to content. So we are going to talk about healthy choices. So for the healthy choices, there were some questions like, it was about the nutrition plate. So it says, what is the biggest section on your nutrition plate? So the answer would be vegetables. So the person would write vegetables. They have their question. And if they didn't know the answer, they can go find someone and figure out who the answer is. And they say vegetables and they can write someone else's name on there. So they'll both be able to find the answer. If the person asking doesn't know the question, then they'll find a person that answering that knows the question, so they can have peer support that way. I hope this is helpful. Thank you.